to all, my name is Kirtana. She is my friend Afifa. We are come from 8th standard. Today our topic is Arduino keypad door lock system. Nowadays in all our houses the mechanical locks are there. Sometimes thieves can break the locks of the door for doing theft or taking valuable items. Our rooms no security locks are available. By this we lose our important things. For this issue we come with an idea keypad system. By this system no one can access the room without our permission. The advanced technique is if we enter wrong password, that house owner will get the message as someone opening your door. Not only password system, there are so many types of systems are there. Security systems are there. They are iris scanner, fingerprint, retina scanner, face ID, password, PIN, pattern, etc. If the all solutions, the low cost one is used to pattern or PIN based system. In this project, I have built an Arduino keypad door lock system, which is mounted to any of your existing doors to secure the digital password. List of the components: Arduino Uno board, 16x2 LCD, 4x4 matrix keypad, servo motor.
List of components. Arduino Uno 16x2 LCD, 4x4 matrix keypad, servo motor. A liquid Arduino is an open source like electronic based on easy to use hardware and software. Simply speaking, Arduino is a microcontroller based prototyping board which can be used in developing digital devices that can be used in input like finger on a button, touch on a screen, light on a sensor, etc. And turning it into output like finger touching on LCD, rotating a motor, playing songs, and through a speakers, etc.
The Arduino board consists USB plug and servo motor. It consists as a bunch of connections sockets that guide external devices like LCD and motor, etc.
A liquid crystal display its definition from name itself. It is a combination of two states of the matter, the solids and the liquids. LCD liquid crystal provide a visible image. Liquid crystal super thin technology display screens like a generally used in TVs, mobile cell phones, computer screens, and the portable video games. LCD's technologies allow in the display thinner when they compared cathode ray tube technology.
First of all, we start from the brain of the project, which is the Arduino Uno board. The Arduino board connected to LCD and a servo motor. The servo motor is used to push or pull the latch of the door. A 16x2 LCD is required to display message by Arduino. 16x2 means 16 number of columns and 2 number of rows.
In this project, I have to use a 4x4 matrix keypad. When a key password input and manually lock customized door locker. It consists of 12 keys and the 4 keys in rows and the 4 keys in columns. We need a keypad. It establishes a connection in between columns and rows.
Now I will show the model. The door is open and lock. Thank you.